Hi everybody, I just wanted to quickly show you what this is going to look like for you. When you open up your Google Classroom, you're going to open this document up every day and you're going to see like the thing that you have to do, the thing that you should be able to learn. That's going to be up in this objective right here. And then there's going to be some information about what to do. You can read through this, but the most important part that I want to show you today is Nearpod. And if you've used Nearpod before, you can just like completely disregard this video because you already know it. But if you don't know it yet, you should check this video out. So you're going to open this link up, and I actually already have it loaded here. And it's going to bring you here. Please put your whole name in here. So I'm going to put Cole Nelson because that's my name. And I'm going to hit join lesson. Then it's going to show up the thing that I made for you to watch. There are going to be some slides, but there's also going to be videos. And so there's going to be a video that loads here. I promise. There it is. Okay, so then you're going to play this video, watch this video. There might be some blue dots in this bar down here. That means that you have some stuff that you need to get done during the video. If there isn't anything, then you just have to watch it once. In this video, I'm going to be explaining a lot of the stuff about how class is going to work. So just check that out. Scroll through the slideshow as you go. If there's a link, you can click on the link. It's going to create a little box around it. So you can click on a link and then see the thing that I put up so that you can look at that. So that's there. There's more slides. I know that there's kind of a lot of slides here. Your Google Classroom code is here. Just kind of keep going. There is one thing that I really want to show you. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. What I'm going to show you is this slide right here. This slide is the draw it slide, and there are a bunch of things you can do here. You can draw, and I know this is a little bit tricky, but you can draw with your trackpad and your mouse. This might be really annoying for you, but that's okay. You can also type. So you can type like this. You can type on this screen. This would be a really good way for you to explain what you're thinking as you work on a problem. You can also take a picture of your work. And so you would like hold your work up right here and take the picture. And then you could post that on the slide too. There is an eraser. There's an eraser. And then you can upload a picture also. Okay, so you have a bunch of options to respond to something that I'm asking for you to do. And then you would click submit when you're done. This is the clear the whole page thing. So if you click that, it just erases every single thing that you ever did on this. So don't do that unless you're really like trying to start over. Submit. Make sure you click the submit button right here before you click away from the slide so that I can see your work. And that's kind of the rundown on Nearpod for right now.